In this video, I'll be answering some frequently asked questions. Where do I dump the wastewater? You can dump the wastewater at any dump station. These are the same dump stations that RVs use. You'll find them at gas stations and other places that RVs frequent. Some dump stations are free and some charge a small fee. Others are free if you buy your fuel from them. An easy way to find dump stations nearby is by going to sannydump.com. Where do I fill up with water? Contact your City Public Works Department to find out where the bulk water stations are located. You'll be filling up at the same places the commercial water trucks fill with water. This makes filling your water tank fast, easy, and inexpensive. Should I use a 1 or 2 water tank setup? When it comes to deciding between using 1 or 2 water tanks, you need to think about what would fit best with your setup and what your preference is. Both ways work just fine. Our bin wash system is designed to work either way. A 1 water tank setup can be a great option for a pickup truck or any other more compact setup. With 1 water tank, you'll be reusing your water throughout the day. You'll still want to dump your water at the end of the day and start each day with fresh water. Using 2 water tanks gives you a tank for clean water and another tank for the wastewater. With 2 tanks, you're always cleaning with fresh water. Bin Wash Systems makes putting together your own bin cleaning truck or trailer an easy do-it-yourself project that's affordable. We provide unlimited support throughout your build. Access to our experience and help is only a phone call away. To learn more, visit us at binwashsystems.com.